So now I'm waiting for my flight from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia to Rwanda, Kigali. The flight number is ET804. Currently there is nothing on the computer screen. I really don't know. Maybe I need to. Currently the time is around 8 a.m. My flight is 2 hours and 25 minutes later. As you can see, the Ethiopian airport at the Addis Ababa is quite nice, to be honest with you. Hello. Ni hao. So yeah, to be honest with you, I'm really liking the Ethiopian airport. This is Ethiopia to me. I'm liking it. So what's up guys, it's really currently waiting for the Ethiopian airway to Kigali. Yeah, it's a little bit long. I know I need to upload a lot of new videos, but then it's a long flight. My body is really very tired. I'm really feeling a lot of pain, to be honest with you, but still there's nothing better than waiting at the end of the day. I mean, long whole flight are really very horrible. It makes your body really painful. So yeah, I'm keeping you updated. I mean, Ethiopia. So now I'm boarding from Ethiopia, Addis Ababa to Kigali finally at the end of the day. It was a quite long flight, but worry not, I already answered like 6 questions while I was on the airport of you. If you have any more questions, my email address is in the description box below. To be honest with you, it was a quite long flight. So the plane is small, so they are putting the luggage in the check-in compartment. By the way, I already checked in my luggage from Hong Kong. That's why no need to worry about it.